How to restore chats in WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view your chat list. Tap on the settings icon from the bottom right corner. You will then find yourself in this page. Tap on the chat section from the menu. Then select Chat Backup. So this is one way to find your chat backups on cloud, and you can restore it to other devices from here just by tapping on Backup Now. There is another way which will require you to minimize the WhatsApp application and go over to your Settings app on your phone. Tap on your Apple ID from the very top. Then tap on the iCloud option. In this page, scroll down a bit and tap on Show All. Then scroll down until you find the option WhatsApp and make sure it is enabled. Now go back and tap on the option iCloud Backup. In this page, tap on your iPhone. It may take a while to load the data. Once it's done, you need to make sure that the WhatsApp option is enabled here as well. So, by following these steps, you can restore chats in WhatsApp.